Hey Royal Family, welcome to the front row. My name is Roanna Moodley and this is your beauty edition of Desi Beauty. So I'm so excited about this look because I decided to go simple as usual because I really want to share simple tips and tricks on makeup. Makeup doesn't need to be complicated. It doesn't need to take a bunch of time to look glamorous, and you can do it especially as a woman who has to juggle so many things and wear different hats. I want you to know that makeup can be as fun as well, and even if it's a 10-minute getaway to make yourself look and feel beautiful, why not? Today I'm doing this beautiful bronzy simple face makeup with a beautiful gaudy sari with my Bharatanatyam earrings, which I use all the time. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to use the Magnify Eyes palette by Rimmel, and this is just a very bronzy type of palette, and I think it's really nice to look to have. It's very easy. You can use it for daytime, nighttime. It really works well. I quite like it. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to take this beige color here. It's a matte beige, and I'm going to use that to set the concealer that I've placed on my eye. It's always nice to set your concealer so that it doesn't crease. I like doing simple looks with makeup because it really does help with everyday crazy life, and sometimes, you know, as women we've got to do so many things, we've got to wear so many hats, and you know, I often hear from females that, oh, I don't have the time to do makeup, and I like to just say that you do have the time. Even if it's 5 minutes, you can use one brush and one eyeshadow and have a glam look on your eye and really feel beautiful, while also not feeling overwhelmed because you got to do, you know, a whole bunch of things over a long period of time. So just having simple palettes like these really do help. You don't necessarily have to have this particular palette. You can use any brown that you have in your makeup case, and you know, just play around with makeup. Some days you might not get it right, and some days you might. I remember when I was experimenting with doing a smoky black eye, I went to work this one day and I looked like a raccoon, but we live and we learn. Then I'm gonna go in with this chocolate, like a lighty chocolate color, and kind of just sweep it over my entire lid here, this space, and bringing it a little bit higher to create a crease. As you can see, I'm using one brush because I want life to be as simple as possible. My favorite move is dip, twist, and circular. So the darker brown is going only in the corners. I always try and do it a little higher than my crease here, so it gives the illusion that my eyes are super big. Look at the difference. Alrighty, now let's do the other eye. Same thing. Now you're not going to get it perfect because your eyes are different, but I mean, if it looks normal and it looks okay, then it's fine. Don't overthink life. For primer, I'm using the NYX Photo Loving Primer. I love this primer. It is to die. every single time I use it and I take a picture, it just looks so smooth, so flawless, and I just absolutely love it. For foundation, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Coverage in the color Soft Honey, and I'm going to do one little squirt like that. For concealer, I'm using the Instant Anti-Aging Eraser. It's in the color Light Honey to Brighten. To contour, I'm using the same concealer in the color Warm Olive. Now I'm going to take the Famous Baby powder and just put a little on the palms of my hands. I'm going to use this to set everywhere that I put the concealer. Now I'm going to use this shimmery color here, and I am just going to put some on my eyebrows. I don't put too much, just at the top here. Just pick up my eye. Remember, if you put too much on hooded eyes, it looks more droopy. Now I need to set my contour, so let's just use my Stay Matte. You can use any bronzy type of powder. My Sweet Cheeks palette in NYX is obviously my favorite. Now, we don't want to go too pink, so we're going to just use a little dab of that. Sweep it up on my cheeks. And then for highlighter, I'm using my Love You So Mocho. We're going to go with the bronzy color to highlight on the high points of my face. This highlighter is so beautiful. For mascara, I'm using my Hey Gorgeous mascara in Pure Wild. It's supposed to volumize my eyelashes. For lipstick, I'm going with my MAC, and this is in the color Cream in Your Coffee. It is one of my favorite colors because you can use it literally every day. For setting spray, I'm using my rose gold. Woo! Yes, baby. Well, this is the look. So comment below and let me know what you thought of this makeup tutorial and also how you liked the look, this very bronzy type of look. And please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up because it does help me tremendously. And I guess I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget that I make beauty videos every Thursday and wisdom videos every Monday. I do appreciate your support. I'll see you on the next video. Keep it royal.